In this guide, I'll show you how to set a custom alarm sound on iPhone. Now, in order to do this, you will need a free app called GarageBand, which you can get from the App Store. So go to the search bar at the top and begin typing in Garage. Now I'm going to select GarageBand at the top, and it'll look like this icon with the guitar, and you'll have the ability to install it for free. Now, once you've installed it, open up the app, and what you want to do is swipe on over until you get to Audio Recorder, and then you just simply want to tap on it. Now, it'll look something like this, and the first thing you want to do is have a look at the top, and where you see the red recording icon, just to the right of that, you're going to see a metronome that's going to be blue. So, what you want to do is tap on it to turn off the metronome. Then, to the right of that, you're going to see a filter icon, and you want to tap on it so it goes white instead of blue, and it'll look something like this once you've done that. So then you're going to select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner beside the filter icon, and you want to select metronome and count in at the top. Then what you want to do is turn off the count in, and then press done in the top right corner. Now you're going to see a plus sign to the right of that, and just beneath it, it's just where this little line is. So I'm going to press the plus sign and go to section A, and this is essentially how long your custom alarm sound is going to be. So what you want to do is increase this length. So I'm going to go to 30 or 40, just increase it a lot. And then you want to press done. So to record the custom alarm sound, what you want to do is play it aloud via your TV speakers or any speakers in general. And with your phone, what you want to do is press the recording icon at the top, and it's going to begin recording that sound. So being as quiet as possible is important so you get a good quality sound. And once you're happy with your recording, all you have to do is press the pause sign at the top left. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is select the drop down arrow in the top left corner, and then you want to tap on My Songs. Now, you're just going to have to wait a few seconds for your song to finish saving, and once it's finished, what you want to do is tap and hold on this recording, and then what you want to do is scroll down in this section and go to Share. Now you want to save your custom alarm sound as a ringtone, so tap on Ringtone, and then it's going to ask you to name your ringtone, so go ahead and give it a custom name. And once you're happy with the name of your new custom ringtone, select Export in the top right corner. And it should only take a few seconds. So once you've exported the custom alarm sound, what you want to do is open up the clock app on your phone and tap on one of your alarms where you want to change the sound. So select Sound near the bottom, and if you scroll up under Sounds, you should now be able to see your new ringtone, which is the custom sound that we just created. So all you have to do is tap on it, and then what you want to do is press back, and then go to Save in the top right corner, and you now have your new custom alarm sound. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.